Hi friends, welcome back or welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Cynthia and I thank you for clicking on this video. I know if you clicked on this video, you should know what we're getting into here. Let's open up this box and see if we have been bamboozled or catfished, as my friend John on Targethomestyles said on his page. Go over, I'm going to link his Instagram page down below. He has a wonderful Bath and Body Works, loves candles, and obviously it says Targethomestyles, so loves Target as well, page on Instagram. So go follow him over there. But from everything and pictures that you guys have sent me and DMs on Instagram, we have been bamboozled and catfished because this is not going to be what we thought, or at least what I thought I ordered from Bath and Body Works. Yeah, so this pet is supposed to be pedestals. I actually even ordered two instead of one extra because I thought I was liking the red one, the red rim more than than the silver rim, the one that I had. So I was like, if I'm gonna have two, I might keep the two red ones, but let's just see. So there are the boxes. Let me get it right out of this big box and we'll be right back. Okay, so we took it out of the big box. I am happy that they came in their individual boxes, you know, with this foam and all of that. This is foam, right? Either way. Yeah, silver. And another silver. Oh my goodness. Let's get it out of here. I mean, do we even really have to compare with the one I bought in the store? Not really, because it's silver. So if I still have a picture, I'm going to post it here of what we thought we were getting and why we're saying that, like, I thought I was getting the red rim. You know, I had talked about it. And then this layering, just I've been noticing with the one I do have, because I do want to update you guys correctly. I'm going to get you the one I have right now. This, whatever layer they put on top, you kind of have to be careful because, look, this is just open, but it kind of does get scratched. So I'm wondering if it's going to get damaged easily. Let me show you. Yeah, see? You see that right here? It kind of looks a little messy. Well, let me get the one I have. I have it right here on the... Okay, so this is the one I've had here at home. So these are the two. I mean, I personally love the way it looks. You know, that iridescence or rainbow looking. I really love the way it looks. But the only thing I'm noticing now is, you see that looks kind of dirty there. I've tried to wipe it off, and I don't want to wipe it even more because it'll end up getting scratched. So this right here, I've tried to wipe it off, but it doesn't. See, like I was wiping it off and then a little bit of that iridescence or whatever layer is on top started coming off. And that's why you see that there, because I was trying to wipe it off. And so I want to show you that might be something where these might get, you know, I don't know. They might start looking different and kind of scratched up. So I'm a little scared about that, you know, because I don't like the way it's kind of looking right there. But maybe that's just me. I want to point everything out to you guys as someone that obviously reviewed it for you. But as I see more things come up, I'm going to let you know. And there it is with the light on. This one's, I'm sure, doesn't have any batteries. So yeah, they're not going to be able to light up. As of now, I think I'm taking them back to the store, friends, because I thought I was getting the red rim. I'm going to show you what a red rim, like all the way to the top, looks like. I'm just making sure there's no batteries. There's no batteries in here. I mean, when it's on, you can't see the scratch as much, or yeah. So we'll see. I'm just concerned about the top layering, you know, completely being scratched off. That's all. And then you guys can see right here how it's looking right there already. And I just opened this one. So yeah, we're going to take this one back. These two, I'm sure somebody will pick them up at the store. Trust me, I think they will. Look. And then here's my tree. I brought my tree because the tree has the red rim on top, which I think would have looked so beautiful. Like I know I would have preferred it. Like looking at the tree top right here, how all this, none of it is silver, this is red. I would have loved this one a lot more. Just like the picture showed. I mean, you know, we thought we were getting something like the picture, but we're not. As of now, I'm still keeping this one. I'm just going to try to be more careful with it. And I'll be returning these two right here. But for sure, I love my heart that I have. I just feel like I do have to be more careful as far as like this top coating that they put on it. But yeah, so that is all that came in that box. I had just ordered the two, and honestly even paid full price, because even though I'm an employee, when you order online, there's not a way for us to get the discount. Uh, and I've asked different people, so unless you know how, let me know. But as of right now, yeah, I had paid full price for the ones I ordered online. Let me see. I'll show you the receipt. Just let me see right now. So there it is. I wanted to show you the receipts, just didn't want to make sure that my credit card or anything doesn't show up on here. But there you go. You guys see the full price I paid right there. I even paid shipping and handling, just the regular $5.99. Maybe I guess I'm going to be out of the $5.99. But yeah, that is all that I have for you guys today. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you guys are disappointed, those of you guys that were expecting the red rim, or those of you guys that are just happy to have it. I mean, I know a lot of you, even just like this, like I was saying, like this is still beautiful. I just definitely think that would be a lot better red here, but that's okay. Like I said, I'm keeping this one. I'm still happy with it overall. I mean overall, because we still need to be careful with that top coating that they put on this heart. But yeah, so let me know, as I was saying, in the comments how you guys are feeling about this. If you placed an order after I had done my video, a review on this little heart pedestal here. And I'm sorry they lied to us. I wish we hadn't been bamboozled, but we were. Bath and Body Works, what is wrong with you? Why would you put a picture that does not match what we were getting? Yes, it's still beautiful in my opinion, but it is not what we ordered, okay? So until the next one, my friends, this is all that I have for you guys right now. I love you guys. Stay blessed. Bye.